Hey guys, Zenab here. Today we're checking out the Micro Air Easy Touch RV Thermostat. Inside the box you get thermostat itself, some mounting hardware, and a card that says, "Do not open up the cover for the thermostat." Seriously, there's no reason to do it. Please do not void your warranty. Leave the cover on, which kind of makes me think there's something cool in there and I really want to open it. But we're not going to do that today. Today we're going to install this thermostat into our travel trailer. Lately in the travel trailer, we will have the air conditioning on, and for some reason it will still say that it is on, but nothing is blowing or anything. So I will go and turn it off, put it back to air conditioning, still nothing. So I finally figured out that if I kick it up to fan, it'll stay on auto. Click it off of auto to like low or high, then the fan starts going. Once the fan starts going, I can kick it back down to air conditioning. Everything works fine. So before I go replace the air conditioner itself, I'm going to replace the thermostat because I think that's our problem. First thing we're going to do is turn off the power for the thermostat. I had to pop a fuse out to do that. Then we're going to open this thing up, then unscrew these two mounting screws. That will reveal our wires back here. You know what? It's picture time. So white is going to be our 12 volt negative. It just says comms. Our green and our 12 volt positive is going to be our red. Okay, we're going to want that to sit right about the same spot. So this right here will give us the exact spacing we need for our screws. And this is right about in the middle, so that's going to be exactly where we want it. All we got to do is clip that away. We're going to take our red, and that is going to be 12 volt. Give it a little push on these little 3 buttons in the back. They're all lined up. So 12 volt, red, green, which means white is going to be our ground. Let's stick it all back into there. We'll line it up with our holes. Let's put that fuse back in. Okay, fuse is back in. Boom, we got power. Let's go ahead and kick everything else back on. Let's see if we need to read the instructions at all. We have a power. Let's do fan only. Ah, there we go. Manual low. Ah, there goes the fan. Okay, let's try here. Let's put on cool. So it says it's 70 degrees. It says cool to 72. So maybe, there we go. Let's put this down to 67. Let's see if our AC kicks on. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, let's try the heater. Furnace. Heat to 75. There we go, we got that fan off. I hear the heater. Oh, there we go. Now I got some heat. Okay, let's go back, change this. Auto furnace, auto air conditioning. Oh, now we're cooking. Heat to, drop that down, 61. And then cool to, let's say 67. Now it's automatic. That didn't really take too long to set up. Now I know that there's an app for this where I can control all of this from my phone anywhere in the world, which is going to be awesome. Look at that. It stopped. It says cool to 67. It stopped at 66. After trying to see where I can download the app, I did see that you have to have those little washers on there so it fits nice and snug. So now it will stop wiggling around. Oh yeah. That's a clippy. Oh, that's not going anywhere now. Hopefully this is going to solve our issue of the air conditioning turning off. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.